Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a fuel pump driver module on this 2008 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. Alright, we're down here underneath the driver's side rear tire. So you can see the gas tank right here. And then right here is our fuel pump driver module. So the first thing we're going to do is just unplug this. So there's a little tab right here. Push that tab and pull the plug back. And you're unplugged. And then we've got two screws that we need to take out. So the first one is right there. And the second one is behind this wire. It's right here where my finger is. All right. These are a T30 Torx bit to take that out. You can see why this failed here. It's got a corroded hole right in there. Probably got water in there and fried something. But at this point, you can take your new module and set it right up in there. Screw it back in, plug it back in. You're good to go. I'm an Amazon and an Advanced Auto Parts affiliate. So I'll have an Amazon link down in the description as well as an Advanced Auto Parts link where you can order online and pick up at your local store. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thanks for watching.